Okay, here's a video I'm making you. You can see them sprockets in there are nice. I mean, the machine is really a clean machine. Here's the VIN plate. I got two covers off here I want to put back on because we bled the brakes. You can see the pads are in nice shape, nothing bent. I mean, for the year of the machine, everything's straight on it. So I kind of believe it has never been abused. There's the back of it. Now my kid's in there. We haven't started this thing probably since October. I took his cover off because we put these two, well, they're not new, but we had the pumps re-gone over, checked out, tested, and resealed. There's the motor. Now we're going to try to start it. It hasn't been started since probably October. So go ahead, see if it starts. There's a cold start right there from October. This is January. The thing's been sitting here since late October. He don't run it, but I'm going to have him show you that it does work, function. Doesn't work, but I'm going to show you. Now go ahead, once it warms up a little bit, rev it all the way up, dig a little bit with it. Just dig and then dump the bucket out. I'm going to move back here. Rev it up! But there it is. He don't run a machine, he's just doing this to show you. Bucket's in nice shape, not a lot of play or anything.